Picture vocabulary. Closed edition. 30 words in 2 minutes. Let's go. Basket. Boots. Skirt. Button. Cowboy hat. Dryer. Glove. Heel. Hood. Jeans. Logo. Medium. New. Patch. Purse. Sandals. Shirt. Shorts. Small. Sole. Stain. Style. To fold. To put away. To take off. To try on. T-shirt. Uniform. Washer. Zipper. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos. See you next time!